and I will request some special people in the house to join Dr. Batra here up on stage. May I request Ajay Bhatt and Sangeeta Ray to please do the honors along with Dr. Batra. A huge round of applause for them. Be careful, be careful. Should I help? Are we ready for the first award? Let's put our hands together for FM Rising Star of the Year Award, and that goes to, you all can guess names before I announce.
Even if the audio is not working, you can play the video. Yeah. If both are working, we can play that. Vivek?
Congratulations to Mr. Abhijit Dhanraj Deshmukh, Location Head Global Workplace Solutions HCL, for winning the Bronze Award. Huge round of applause calls for a perfect photo op. I will also request all our winners to stay back for a group photo op, which will be a part of the editorial coverage as well. So please be there till the end of the awards. Calls for a huge round of applause as well.
Thank you, Business World. This means a lot. I was not expecting this. Credit goes to my family. My colleague is there, Josna is there, and special thanks to HCL Tech, who gave me the opportunity from last 6 years to add my all the values, and I'm basically managing the HCL Tech Nagpur campus from last 6 years. So thank you again.
Congratulations once again. Moving to the next award, FM Rising Star of the Year Award goes to, let's have the AV. Congratulations to Mr. Dinesh Bhandari, General Manager Operations and Business Development, Unify FM. He wins the Silver Award. Also, I will request all the winners to please get off the stage from the left for an individual photo op. Let me also request all the winners to stay back for a group photo op at the end, which will be a part of the editorial coverage. Silver Award, congratulations.
Nothing to say. I'm very much thankful to present here, and sir supported a lot to guiding the process, their entire team, and special thanks to jury members who believed in us and giving the right platform to us. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. FM Rising Star of the Year Award Gold goes to, let's take a look at the AV. Congratulations to Mr. Aniket Seth, Senior Vice President, SILA Solutions, for winning the gold. Huge round of applause. request all the winners to please step down from the left-hand side for an individual photo op as well. Congratulations. We would love to know how it feels. Thank you so much. We'll request for an individual photo op and a group one at the end. Moving forward, the next category of awards, FM Organization Leadership Award for Excellence, and the gold goes to let's have the AV. It's SILA Solutions. Once again, a huge round of applause. Congratulations once again. Moving forward to the next award category, Emerging FM Agency Service Provider of the Year. And the organization which wins the gold is, let's have the AV. FM Future Labs, let's have a representative or the team to please collect the award. A huge round of applause for all our winners. We will request all our winners to step down from the left for an individual photo op as well. And do stay back for the group photo op, which we will be using for the editorial coverage. We would love to hear a few words. Congratulations.
We are just 8 months old, and this recognition means a lot to us. And looking forward to associating with most of you in the near future. Thank you.
Would you like to add something? Thank you so much. Congratulations. We'll call you back for an individual photo op. On the left here, we have a photographer to click the individual photos. Let's capture all the memories from this special day as we move forward with the next set of awards. And may I request Mr. Ajay Bhatt and Ms. Sangeeta Ray to please join us in the audience. Please be careful. While I will request Captain Rajesh Sharma and Dr. Abhijit Sarkar to please join Dr. Batra on stage. A huge round of applause for all the special people in the house. Moving forward, Best FM Service Provider in Innovation and Advancement, and the bronze goes to, let's see the AV. And And that's Pazo Innovations. Let's have the team or the representatives to please collect the award. Congratulations, that's the Bronze Award. Let's have a huge round of applause for the team. Would you like to say something?
Really proud to win our maybe our 10th award till now. So everybody talks about digital transformation. We are digital transformation. Thank you. Thanks a lot for recognizing us.
Congratulations. We'll request you to please take an individual photograph as well. Moving forward, Best FM Service Provider in Innovation and Advancement. Let's have the AV for the Bronze Award. That's Group L. Huge round of applause, and may I request the representatives to please come and join us on stage to accept the award. Let's have a good photo op. I hope all our winners are staying back because we are looking forward to the group photo as well in the end. We'd love to hear something from you. Congratulations.
So thank you. Thanks to Judy for awarding us, especially in innovation and advancement. Everyone keeps talking about technology and the advancement related to it, but innovation can be as simple as understanding your customers' needs and coming up with solutions for that. So that's the objective, and we'll keep doing it. We'll keep serving you better. That's so. Thanks a lot for that. Thank you.
Congratulations. We'll request all our winners to make sure they get the individual photograph once they step from the left. Moving forward with the Silver Award, which is for Best FM Service Provider in Innovation and Advancement. Let's have the AV. BVG India. Let's call the team to please accept the award. That's the Silver Award. Congratulations. Huge round of applause for all our winners in the house. Let's have a huge round of applause for all our winners. We'd love to hear from you.
Like Anurag sir said in the beginning, it's a very fair, transparent process. And personally, I look forward for BW Awards. February, I had won 40 under 40. Now today, last year we won also in the silver category. And it's a good day for me. In the morning, uplifted the CII Most Innovative Excellence Award in Chennai. And then from there, I'm coming here, beating the rains and the traffic to be here. Thank you so much.
I would request him to loan me his personal jet so me and Hoshi can fly on that next time. All the best. Which city are you going now? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
one day definitely.
God bless you. Dreams do come true. I dreamt of saving all the expenses on my haircut, and that has come true. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. With that spirit, we'll request you to please stay on till the end for the group photograph and get the individual photograph as we move forward with the next Silver Award for Best FM Service Provider in Innovation and Advancement. Let's have the AV. FM is the winner of Silver Awards. May I request the representatives, the team, to please join us here on stage to accept the award. So was also the speaker this morning. CEO Mr. Rakesh Tripathi is right here. He has been here all day cheering us with his smile, which is already on his face right now. Congratulations, sir, and congratulations to the team for all the support. Huge round of applause for powering this event as well. So may I give you the mic?
Thank you so much. Thank you, BW. Lovely conference, amazing. I would like to thank the people. Actually, this is an innovation. And the man who actually creates it, it's tough, but the implementation is very difficult. It requires a change management. You see Major Surendra, Mayank Dikshit, and Tushar, they are the three chiefs we have. And they have implemented. And the person who created it, unfortunately, is sitting there, hiding somewhere. His name is Siddharth Jha. Can I ask Siddharth to just come over? He's the creator of our entire innovation. And we are the implementers. We only implement, he creates. So Siddharth heads this area, which is a technology vertical. And that's what we create, an innovation. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. We'll request you all to please take a nice group photo op already here and then do stay back for the final group photo op, which we want to put as a part of our editorial. Moving ahead with the awards now, the gold category. Best FM Service Provider in Innovation and Advancement. Let's have the AV. SMS Integrated Facility Services. Congratulations. Let's have a huge round of applause for SMS Integrated Facility Services. Huge round of applause for taking the initiative of BWFM forward. Congratulations.
So thank you once again, BW, for the recognition and again running a very transparent process as always. I think this is the third or fourth time that we are personally going through the process, and I'm very, very happy with the recognition. I believe it's just, we've really transformed the DNA of the company over the last 3 years, not only internally, but externally. And obviously that's the more difficult part because as was mentioned, it's one thing to create a product and a service, but it's the other thing to actually deliver it on the ground and get it implemented from right from the blue collar workforce, to the top management. So brilliant work done by the team. I think a lot of hard work has gone into this. So this is just just a testament to that hard work, I guess. Thank you so much.
I want to tell you, all the founders of FM companies and CEOs asked me to announce that for all the winners, 30% increase in salary and 20% bonus. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you for that.
It will only happen if you grow at 100% or 200%. So, no, I'm not. I'm just telling them what you told me privately.
Congratulations to all our winners. Of course, we are getting the photographs done. Request you to stay on till the end as we move forward with the awards. And at this point of time, may I thank Captain Rajesh Sharma and Dr. Abhijit Sarkar to please join us back as the audience. And may I request Mr. Satish Diore and Mr. Samir Patil to please join us on stage along with Dr. Batra and along with a huge round of applause from the audience. As we move on with the category ESG initiatives by the organization, and this is the gold award that goes to, let's have the AV. Tata Motors Finance. Huge round of applause for the team who are joining us on stage right here to accept the award. That's the gold award. Congratulations to the team. Huge round of applause. We love to hear something from you. Congratulations.
I would like to extend my thanks to Mohit, Savi, and Business World team. Frankly speaking, we get the opportunity to participate in many forums, but really Business World is something different. The honesty, integrity, the way, the kind of processes they go through for giving this award, it's amazing and really wonderful, and I appreciate all Business World team to kindly maintain this kind of integrity and trust like we Tata has built up it. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. We'll request you to take that photograph as memory, and we will move forward with the awards. Gold again for FM Renovation or Expansion Project of the Year, and that goes to, let's have the AV. BVG India. Congratulations once again to all the winners making it to the stage to accept the award. Moving forward, we'll also request you to take the photo up here. Moving forward with the next award, FM Excellence Award in Customer Satisfaction Gold. Now, this is a big one. Congratulations to the team. It is G4S Facility Services India. Huge round of applause for being the gold winner. At this point of time, may I request Mr. Sunil Ralph also to join us on the stage to do the honors along with Major Aditi Mohan. Congratulations. We will move forward. So we would love to have you all also back on stage. Let's do the honors together. May I request both of you all to please join us here with a huge round of applause as we proceed to the silver category of Best Physical Security and Safety Organization of the Year. And can we see the AV? Congratulations! That's Detomatic Global Services. May I request the team to please come up on stage? I think they are also dressed for the occasion. It calls for a huge round of applause to battle the Mumbai rains and come up for a great photo op and a celebration like this.
Stop in my mind.
Congratulations. Moving forward, Best Physical Security and Safety Organization of the Year, and the gold goes to, let's have the AV please. Max Life Insurance wins the gold. Huge round of applause for the team which is joining us here on stage to accept the award. Congratulations, calls for a huge round of applause. Of course.
So I was also the jury member, but I should say that it's so fair award by Business World that I've not rated for my team. So 3 cheers to Max Life and Physical Security. We are the first insurance industry to have a command center. And all credits to Manindra and Anita. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to all our winners. Once again, do not forget the photograph while we move forward. And may I also request Mr. Satish Diore and Mr. Sameer Patil to please join us back as the audience. Thank you so much once again. We will request all of you all to please stay back because we want a group photograph with all the winners for the editorial coverage. And moving forward, the Silver Award for Best Fleet Management Excellence Award goes to, let's have the AV. Congratulations to Kelon Global Solutions. Let's have the team and the representatives up on stage to accept the award. Silver Award, big moment. We'll also request the jury members to stay back for a group photograph. So we would love to hear something from you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Business World. And fleet management, when we talk about, it's not an easy thing to do it. We do a lot of things to ensure that safety, if you look at fleet management, nothing is in our control. Road, traffic are the events that happen outside. But what is in our control, we take utmost care to ensure the safety and comfort what we'll give it. So feel extremely good to get this award and with all of this. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Request you to please take the photograph. We'll request the jury to stay back for a photo. And all the winners to, of course, join us in the end for a group photograph. As we move forward, I would like to thank both of you all, Major Aditi and Sunil Ralph, Mr. Sunil Ralph, to please join us back in the audience. Thank you so much. May I also request Mr. Makarand Kulkarni and Raghupati Vedinathan to please join Dr. Batra on stage with a huge round of applause from the audience. Best Fleet Management Excellence Award Gold goes to, let's have the AV. Congratulations to Eco Mobility. They are also the mobility partner for this event. A huge round of applause for the team and the representatives. That's a gold award. It's a big win. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jiri. Thank you, Bidal. It's an honor. And we'll ensure that whenever you board an eco car, you feel safe, you feel secure, you find a lot of innovations happening in. So that's the endeavor, and we'll keep working hard to exceed your expectations. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Let's have the photo op as we move forward to the next award. And now for the Bronze Award, FM Exemplary Green Building Practices Award. And that goes to, let's have the AV. That goes to Birlasoft. Congratulations. Let's have the team and representatives come up on stage with a huge round of applause from the audience. These are the awards we were all waiting for all day, and it's really special for everybody present in the house today. Congratulations once again to Birlasoft. Huge round of applause. Calls for a perfect photo op and also there while you step down from the stage. Would you like, yes, we would love to know something. Congratulations.
Hello. Thank you, VW. Thank you, jury, for giving this wonderful award. We are basically into the green building practices since last 10 years, and we'll keep that continue. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. Let's have the photo op. We still want to take a look at the jury AV now that we know that it was really difficult to choose the best from the best. So as we get back to the jury AV, please put your hands together for the amazing work the jury has done in selecting the best from the best of our industry, the FM industry. And of course, congratulations to all our winners. Let me remind you all to take your photographs here as an individual and also as a group for us to celebrate together in the editorial as well, in the coverage that will follow. Let's look at the Silver Award for FM Exemplary Green Building Practice Award category. And let's have the AV, please. FM Exemplary Green Building Practice Award, Silver category. Congratulations for winning the Silver Award, SEIL team. May I request you all to please be on stage. SEIL Energy India deserves a huge round of applause for winning the Silver Award. Let's have a photo op. And also let me once again remind all the winners to please stay back for the group photo op, which we can use as a part of our editorial coverage. We would love to hear something from you, sir.
Definitely. Thank you all. Firstly, let me thank Dr. Batra and his whole team for organizing this huge forum of all honorable top officials from different organizations. And from, a lot of brands which were available during the day on the screen, as well as their presence was very important. We felt very happy. We also thank the jury members for making us come on this platform. And this brand, SEIL, maybe all of you may not be knowing, it was formerly Semgop Energy India Limited, a thermal power generating unit. Now the name has changed to SEIL. We generate 2640 megawatt of power from thermal. That's it. We are based at Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. And this idea of green building was conceptualized 12 years ago to create an eco-friendly working space. And after 12 years, we are here to receive the award. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, great stories there. And as we move forward with the Gold Award for FM Exemplary Green Building Practice Award, let's have the AV, please. Gemini, it is. Huge round of applause for winning the Gold Award. It's a big win. Congratulations. We will also request for a photo op, and we will be heading towards the next set of awards as well. There are a few flights to be taken, so we will just save on time and we'll move forward. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Business World. Thank you, jury members, for this prestigious award. And we at Capgemini, we do a lot of energy saving related activities, a lot of projects we have done so far. Up till now, we have achieved net zero energy certification for 5 of our large campuses in India out of 8 campuses. And now we are working on the water-related savings initiatives. And our target is to achieve net zero water in coming future. Thank you for this recognition. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all our winners. Moving ahead with the next award, Gold for Best FM Marketing Campaign Award goes to, let's have the AV please. Let's have the team back up here on stage once again. 10 on FM. Let's have 10 on FM and the team back on stage, please. May I request Mr. Mayur Krishnani? May I request Mr. Mayur Krishnani and Vineet Kumar to please join us here on stage? Huge round of applause. Congratulations.
I'll not take more than 30 seconds. First of all, thank you, sir. And thank you, my CEO, Mr. Rakesh Tripathi. Both have been in the marketing and comms industry earlier. And I don't think so. You wouldn't agree that no other FM forum has celebrated the people like us who are always behind the curtain to make our company shine. Kudos to all the marketings and comm people, to all the FM and security companies. And I guess the show must go on. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. May I request Mr. Rahul to please join us back here in the audience? As we request Mr. Milan Yadav to please join us up on stage with a huge round of applause from the audience. It is a day of multitasking with multiple awards to follow. So we'll be quick. Facility Management Excellence Award Startup Gold goes to, let's have the AV. Congratulations. We are having the Team FM Future Labs here, right here with us. Huge round of applause for the winner. That's the Gold Award. Congratulations once again. So, should we request them to say? Moving ahead with the bronze category, FM Organization of the Year. And let's have the AV, please. award goes to Godrej Industries. Huge round of applause. May I request the team to please come up on stage and collect this award. Congratulations. So may I request you say a few words?
First of all, let me clarify, I didn't vote for this award as jury. The team had done a lot of good work, and unfortunately the team could not make it here, and hence I am taking this award. Thank you so much for the recognition. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Moving forward with the Bronze Award for FM Organization of the Year. Let's see the AV. Compass Group India is the winner. Let's put your hands together as the team joins us on stage to accept this award. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. I think the smile says it all as we move forward with the Silver Award for FM Organization of the Year. And let's have the AV, please. That's Edifex. Huge round of applause for the team who are joining us on stage for this special moment. Huge round of applause for this big win. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you so much, BW, for recognizing us. It's an honor to be here on behalf of Edifex to receive this award. It's surely a testament for our team who works day and night to ensure that we receive it. Team, this is for you. Thank you.
Congratulations once again. Calls for a photo op. Moving ahead with the set of awards and the Silver Award for FM Organization of the Year. Let's have the AV, please. Congratulations to the team Carelon. A huge round of applause for the representatives, Carelon Global Solutions, right here. I hope you're sharing this communication today with the hashtag. The hashtag for the day is hashtag BWFM. Along with that, for the awards, we have the hashtag BWFM Excellence. Congratulations to our winners once again. Moving ahead with the Gold Award for FM Organization of the Year. May we have the AV, please? And the gold goes to Sila. Let's have the team up here on stage, please, with a huge round of applause. That's SILA Solutions for y'all. Congratulations. Big win, Gold Award. Huge round of applause for making it extra special for the team here. Thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honors. May I request you to join us back as the audience and keep cheering as we request Mr. Mohit Chopra to please join us on stage along with Ravi Abhishek. Let's put our hands together for these two gentlemen to do the honors for almost the final set of awards. Mr. Ravi Abhishek also please on stage. Huge round of applause for Mr. Mohit Chopra and Mr. Ravi Abhishek to do the honors for the last set of awards. As we move forward, the Bronze Award for FM Men Leadership Award for Excellence goes to Mr. Praveen Siddhanavar. He is the Senior Vice President, Administration and Facility. Huge round of applause for him for winning the Bronze Award. Congratulations, sir. Would you like to share your views?
Good evening, everyone. And first of all, thanks to Business World. My special mention to Mohit and Savi and Anmol Kaur, if I'm right. A meticulously handled event. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. We will request all the winners to stay back for the group photograph as we move forward with the Silver Award for FM Men Leadership Award for Excellence, and we'll see the AV. Congratulations to Dr. Sayantan Sinha, who is the winner of the Silver Award, and he is also the Vice President of JMD. Huge round of applause for Sir here. Congratulations, sir. We would love to know your views.
Thank you so much. I feel honored standing on the stage. As Rakesh just mentioned about innovation, so first of all, I would like to congratulate BW for bringing in innovation and making a change. And I would like to invite everybody and request everybody to join hands to bring the change in the industry. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. May I request Ms. Neelam Chabra to also please join us on stage? A huge round of applause for the beautiful lady in the house. As we move forward to the next, almost the last set of awards, Gold FM Men's Leadership Award for Excellence goes to, let's take a look at the AV. Congratulations to Ms. Suma Sivran. Congratulations to Ms. Suma Sivaraman. And I will from Denali Management Services, AGM Software Service, a huge round of applause for Miss Suma Sivaraman. Ma'am, would you like to say something? आपको कुछ बोलना है?
I thank my company, Denali Management Facility Service, for making me participate in this company. And I thank BW for honoring me this award. Thank you so much.
That was a big win. FM Women Leadership Award for Excellence. Gold, which goes to Ms. Suma Sivaraman. Congratulations. The next award for FM Men's Leadership for Excellence. Let's have the AV for gold. FM Person of the Year Award Silver goes to Mr. Praveen Sidana, once again, Senior Vice President, Administration and Facility, Birlasoft, Noida. Huge round of applause for being the silver winner. Congratulations once again. Almost towards the end of the award, FM Person of the Year Award, gold goes to, let's take a look. Let's start the next AV. FM Person of the Year, gold. That's a big win. Congratulations to Miss Jagvinder Manpine. And she is here with us. Huge round of applause for this big win. She's of course a freelancer, independent. Huge round of applause for Miss Jagvinder once again for winning the Gold Award for being the FM Person of the Year. Congratulations. Ma'am, we would love to hear something from you.
Well, it's really a privilege to be here, and thank you. Thanks, Business World, Dr. Batra, I think, had to leave, and Mohit, the team, entire team. I know it's been quite a task to put this together. Thank you very much, and thanks to the jury members. I think it was a marathon for them to go through. So thank you for your patience, and thanks for everything, and I really feel honored. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the appreciation. It means a lot to the team. Congratulations. Once again, a huge round of applause. Moving on to almost the final award, let's have the AV for FM and Leadership Award for Excellence, Gold category. Okay, let me just read the name. Let me just confirm once. It's Mr. Rachit Tantriyal. Huge round of applause for winning the gold for FM and Leadership Award for Excellence, and he is the Workplace Experience Manager India, Airbnb India. Huge round of applause. Congratulations, we would love to know your views.
I would like to say, yay, hippie! But thanks a lot, BW, and thank you for the jury for this recognition. Our industry is such, we hardly have any awards, and receiving this award is a big honor. So thanks a lot, everyone. And especially, I was able to deliver this because of my business partners, because of the team, because of the housekeeping staff. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. May I request you all to please join back in the audience. We are done with the awards, and like Dr. Batra said, the show must go on. We have a few announcements which are important before we open it for the evening. I hope you all had a great time being a part of the second edition of BW Business World Facility Management, the conference and awards. May I request Hoshi sir to please join us on stage.
Hi. So I've been asked to come and say a few things, but the most important thing is that we'd like to announce, and this is something even I just got to know, but I'm very happy that we're doing it because I was discussing it with Mohit in the afternoon, that we are launching a website for this community. You know, Anurag says it, I say it all the time. We are a platform at the end of the day, and we are able to survive and do well because of y'all. We do hope that you'll not just visit the website regularly, but also contribute to the website. You know, it's a website where we'd like to put stories. Since I've got the mic, I have an admission that when Anurag spoke about facility management 2 or 3 years ago, I was no, you know, there's no space, we are not doing anything in that space. And I was not very keen, and I think, you know, Mohit is proof now that for the past year, I've been pushing very hard on this space. Couple of reasons. One is that, you know, this is a community, I think a few people said there are hardly any awards. And this is a community, and this is a function that gets blamed very easily for an error that happens, but everything that goes well is taken for granted. Okay, always, you know, the support systems, the staff, you know, for us, an office boy doesn't come into office, we go crazy. Chai kaun dega, this is not clean. And, you know, so I felt finally Anurag's idea was good, and this is going to be a good platform to recognize you all, to put out stories, to share information. And the second thing is, you know, I've been telling Mohit for 6-8 months in the entire company that in the facility space, okay, an organization consumes every single thing that a human being consumes, you know, right from, you know, uniforms to paint, to lighting, to security, to computers, to transportation. So it's a very large area, okay. Very happy to see a lot of innovation. So please feel free to use the website as your platform as it gets launched. I'm sure this space will grow. The event will be much larger the next edition that we do. Thank you very much for joining us. I'll hand over to her, but please don't go. All winners need to be up for for a photograph. And after that, I think we also need the jury for a photograph. So, yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ghoshi Ghaswala, sir. And may I request the jury members to please come up for a special photo op. Also, the winners to join us here for a special photo op. Let's have the jury first and then the winners back on stage. Thank you so much for making the second edition of BW Business World Facility Management Conference and Excellence Awards 2024 so power-packed with your presence and the insights that you have shared throughout the day. Congratulations to all the winners. We have the jury members also joining us here for a special photograph. The entire event has been captured for you to take a look at later on as well on our social media platforms, along with all BW platforms, and of course www.bwsecurityworlds.com. My name is Shayanti Banerjee, and it was an absolute honor to get introduced to the FM industry through the stalwarts for today who celebrated with us the second edition of BW Business World Facility Management Conference and Excellence Awards 2024. A huge round of applause for being the amazing audience. And here is the jury who decided the Power Pack list. Let's have also the winners gather close to the stage so that we can do it quickly. Let's request everybody who is in the pre-function area to please join us back here for the last 5 minutes of this special occasion. Let's have some cheering for the jury who made it possible. Let's have the winners also join the jury member. The more the merrier. It's a big family of FM industry stalwarts coming together to celebrate the second edition of BW Facility Management Awards, which are given for excellence. I think the photographer will have to help us to organize the winners and the jury members on stage. This is a special photo op for our editorial coverage. Do subscribe to BW Business World as well. Picture speaks 1,000 words, and we have already said how we believe in building a community, and here is the FM community right here in front of you all. Let's have Mr. Mohit Chopra and Savi also to join here on stage on public demand.